10 strategies to grow your business online. Many small businesses are taking their business online, but one of the major challenges they are facing is, how do I grow my business using the online space? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited to have you back on the channel. I hope you are doing great today. So today we'll be looking at 10 strategies to grow your business online. If you're here to subscribe to the channel, just hit that subscribe button now so that we can get deep into the topic of today. Number one is to clearly define your audience. Many persons, when they get online, they don't understand the fact that they are not selling to everybody. All right, that you have a beautiful product that you love so much, that people have told you is beautiful, does not mean everybody wants to buy that product. The product you are selling is for a specific audience, and you need to find out who is that audience, right? You need to define that audience and clearly define who they are, how old they are, where are they living, what kind of things do they like, right? So if you don't define this, it will be very difficult to reach that audience, and of course you will fail online with your product. Number two is that you need to also determine which niche, right, your product is covering, which industry, right? All these things are also part of what you are defining when you are defining who your customer is, because you want to define which aspect is my product, which industry. For instance, you are into food business, right? Your product is, you are selling fast food, you are in the food industry, you are covering the food niche. You want to find out who will be interested in the kind of food. Most young people are interested in fast food, but those who are aging between 40 or 50 down are not interested in anything fried. So if you are marketing to those people, you are going to get their attention. So number one is you define your audience, your customer, and number two is define your niche. Number three is build a sales funnel. Right? What is a sales funnel? The series of steps your customer take before making purchase, before buying your product. How do they come in? What do they do when they come in? If you don't understand that process, you will not know what marketing message to tailor to a particular audience at a particular time. Let's say somebody sees your product online and clicks on it, he likes the product, but ends up not buying, right? So that person has not taken action, he has not bought the product, but is interested in the product. If you understand that, you now know that the message you need to give to that person is to try to retarget the person, try to get the person, give the person more information about the product, tell the person more things, maybe bring in customer review, bring in testimonial for the person to see that, oh, this product, somebody has actually used it and the person is happy. So in that way, you understand where your customer is at every point in time. So you must build a sales funnel, right? Knowing how customers interact with your product at every point in time till they purchase the product and even come back to buy again, what we call repeat purchase. Okay? Number four is you leverage on paid ads. So many businesses don't understand that you need to advertise. For you to succeed online, you must advertise your product. Most human beings have short attention span. What is that? Many persons are bombarded with all kinds of content online. They scroll through, they see you today, after 5 minutes they've forgotten what they've seen. That means you must constantly appear before their face, and paid ads will help you do that. So you run targeted ads to be able to reach your audience, the audience you have defined in step one. And that targeted ad has to be a continuous process, meaning that you have to have a monthly budget for your ad to be able to always stay in front of your customers. Or depending on the campaign, maybe you have a product you want to sell at a particular time. Running ads will help you reach more people in more places very fast. All right, so leverage on paid ads, very, very important. Number five is email marketing, right? Email marketing will help you not only getting leads, email marketing will help you to nurture your leads to become paid customers, and also help you to reach out to even customers to become repeat customers. So if you understand that process, it will help you to actually sell more online, right? Let's say you understand your funnel and you know what stage a customer is at a particular point in time. You can use email marketing to move a customer from one stage of the funnel to the next, all right? That process will become seamless. So understanding your email marketing will actually help you sell more online. You can also use email marketing apart from bringing in leads, nurturing leads to become customers or to even become repeat customers. You can also use email marketing to do product announcements, right? You have a new product, you want to announce it, email marketing will help you to do that. You have important information you want to share with your customers, all right, or your leads. Email marketing will help you to do that. So you cannot succeed online without having a healthy email list, all right? So email list, you continue to build it and you continue to use email marketing to communicate, and of course you sell more, all right? That's number 5. Number 6 is optimize your website for conversion. Many websites are just there. Many people build websites, they don't have any conversion steps on their website. They don't have any call to action. You just come to their website, they just put pictures, put videos, and that's where it ends. Your website is supposed to be like an office. In fact, it is actually your online office, all right, or your online shop. When somebody lands on your website, the person is supposed to do something, and you are the one that will guide the person on what to do. It is whatever you tell the person to do that the person will do. And you use optimization. You optimize your website in such a way that your website can help you convert prospect to lead, from leads to customers, all right? On your website, there's supposed to be an action, a call to action. Are they supposed to click and call somebody? Are they supposed to fill a form? You know, are they supposed to opt into an email list? Are they supposed to sign up for your newsletter or something? You must tell them what to do on your website. That way, they can move from just being an ordinary prospect who just stumbled on your website or who is searching for something and came to your website to becoming a lead. When they sign up, they become a lead. And from nurturing, you turn them into customers. So optimize your website for conversion. If you have not done that, make sure you do that. So that's number 6. Number 7 is optimize your website for search engine. All right, search engine is simply optimizing your website to be able to appear on the first page of search, especially Google and Bing and the other search engine. But the most popular one is Google, all right? So when your website is optimized in such a way that when a customer searches for a particular keyword, your website appears on the first page of Google, then that website is optimized, right? So there must be a keyword that your website is ranking for. In fact, several keywords actually. That is why you create content, you write blog posts. All those content you create are supposed to be tailored towards making your website rank for keywords. Okay, so your website has to be optimized in such a way that it can appear on the first page of Google when a particular keyword is triggered. If that is not done, you need to do SEO on your website. Number 8 is make use of social media. You want to sell online, you cannot neglect social media. Social media is powerful to help you sell online. On social media platform, fine, you're supposed to socialize, but in socializing, you also sell. When you create content and upload to your maybe Instagram account or LinkedIn account or the other ones, what you do is that you help your customers, right, to know what is going on. You also help prospects to find you, and from there they can turn to a lead. Many people have come to our social media page, and from there they contact us, right, and they become leads. Then we use email marketing to nurture them to become paid customers. So your social media helps you to even sell. Some people you can even sell directly from your social media. Somebody can actually come to your social media and the person is already ready to buy. They go through your account and they just find out that you are the right person they are looking for, and the next thing they are asking you is how much, and from how much they are asking account number and they are paying. So your social media handles must be optimized. Of course, you must determine which particular social media your audience are hanging out. If you are a B2B business, for instance, LinkedIn is your home page. That's where you're supposed to stay, because most B2B are on LinkedIn, right? If it's a B2C, Instagram is beautiful, all right? So your social media must be optimized, and you must create content that will convince whoever comes to your social media page to understand that you actually understand what you are doing. And from that socializing, they will become leads, and from leads to customers, and from customers to repeat customers. Okay, so don't neglect social media. So number 9 is ensure you are taking advantage of your local listing. All right, local listing. So what is local listing? Local listing is simply platforms that help you appear on search within a particular geographical area, and the father of them all is called Google My Business. So the question is your business on Google My Business? Now, if you go to Google and search for Windave Digital Skills Academy, you are going to, the first thing you are going to see is Google My Business profile, or Google My Business profile, before you see another thing. That helps anybody within our locality to know that we are serious about what we are doing. In fact, if you search for digital skills training, right, in Abuja, you are likely going to see us. So Google My Business is a free local listing, and it's the most powerful of them all because it's the biggest. There are other ones you can leverage on, but you must be on Google My Business. Let your business be there. List your business on Google My Business so that you can appear when anybody is searching for a business that looks like your own within your geographical area. All right, so take advantage of local listing. After you list on Google My Business, you can also search for other local listing within your locality. Just go to Google and say local listing in your area. Type the name of your local area. Maybe you are in Washington, maybe you are in Ghana, maybe you are in South Africa. Just type local listing, put your location. They will show you a list of local listing websites that you can list your business, and mostly they are always free. That's the most beautiful thing. They are always free. You don't need to pay any money. On Google My Business, you are not paying a dime. In fact, you can even create a free website on Google My Business. So it helps you to update your profile. You can add pictures, you can add videos, you can create updates on what's going on in your business. And when people go online to search, they also see you, and that helps to build your reputation. You also help to build your social proof. When people continuously see you, they will take you serious. In fact, many bloggers have actually written about digital marketing trainings, and they put our own there without us paying them a dime. They were just trying to promote their own business. They ended up also promoting our own, and so many customers have actually come using that local listing. So list your business on local listing, and you'll be able to sell online. Finally, number 10 is take advantage of social proof. What is social proof? Simply, a customer buys a product from you, the product serves them well, they are excited, they go online to share their excitement. That's all. If you have enough of that, right, many customers will come to you using that social proof. It can be on Google My Business, it can be on Instagram, it can be on Facebook, it can be on LinkedIn, it can be anywhere. Right? So social proof is just simply a happy customer sharing their excitement. I'm sure you have seen it on apps. When you want to download an app, you see reviews, people sharing their experience about the app, right? If that experience is a positive experience, it can also help another person download the same app and use. So make use of your customers, right? Take advantage of your customers' experience, what they have shared concerning your business. Use it to sell more. When people see that those who have used your business, those who have used your product, and they are happy, they too will likely come to your product and buy from you. So guys, these are the 10 strategies to grow your business online. Go through the list one by one. I said, first of all, number 1, clearly identify your niche. Number 2, who is your customer, right? Number 3, build a sales funnel. Number 4, leverage on paid ads. Number 5, take advantage of email marketing. Number 6, I say optimize your website for conversion. And number 7, I said optimize your website for search engine. Number 8, I say make use of social media. And number 9, ensure you are taking advantage of local listening. Finally, number 10, use social proof. If you have found favor, if you have found value in this video, beg your pardon, if this video has blessed you, you have found value, you know what to do. If you are yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Your subscription will empower us, will give us the energy to keep producing quality content for you so that whenever you need information, you will get. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Remember to share the video. Remember to like the video and comment if there's anything you don't understand or any video you want us to make for you. Till I come your way again, this is Emmanuel saying, I will see you again in the next video.